Hello guys, in today's video we'll create this simple hero section using HTML and Tailwind CSS. I'll be using play.tailwindcss.com for this tutorial. I'm starting with a section tag. Let's add padding right and left of 3. Padding top and bottom of 5. A neutral 100 background color. On large screens, I'll set the padding top and bottom to 10. Now I'll create a div container. Let's set the display to grid. On large screens, our grid columns will be 2. We don't need to specify grid columns 1 on smaller devices, as this will be the automatic behavior. Let's add items center. Justify items center. And the grid gap will be 5. Next, we'll create a div tag container and an image tag inside it. This is the image I am using from Unsplash. I'll leave the link in the description. Copy the image link and paste it in the source attribute. We'll set both the height and width to 80. To fix the image distortion, let's change the object fit to cover. On large screens, set the width to 500 pixels, and we'll do the same to the height. Perfect. Now we'll create a div tag before the image container for all the text and button. My first text will be 25% off. Then, summer sale. Let's add for a limited time only text. And here's our Shop Now button. I'll select the first 2 texts and add a with full class and text center. You can skip those 2 classes as I'll be centering the content anyway using Flexbox. Add text 4x large. Font bold. And let's change the text size to 7x large on medium screens and higher. Add text orange 600 to the first text. So far it's looking good. Add a margin top of 2 right here. Text small, and on medium screen text will be large. Next, add a flex class to the text container. Flex column. Justify center and items center. Perfect, everything is centered now. Moving on, let's style our button. I'll make the text large. Black background. Text is white. Padding top and bottom 2. Padding right and left 5. On hover, the background color will be Zinc 800. On medium screens, the text will be 2x large. And let's add a margin top of 10. Everything looks great. I just want to change the image order on small devices. I think it would look much better. To do that, I'll add order 2 to the text div, and on large screens, the order will be 1. Then on the images container, I'll add order 1, then on large screens, the order will change to 2. And this is our final result. Hope you guys like this quick tutorial. Let me know your thoughts, and thanks a lot for watching.